Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chime user looking to update your PIN or password on the app for 2025, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to keep your account secure and hassle-free. Why bother? Well, regularly changing your PIN adds an extra layer of protection against potential threats, and it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Chime app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Chime, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your current credentials. You'll land on your dashboard, so look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. Next, tap that menu to expand it, then scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. This is your hub for all personalization options. Inside Settings, find the Security or Password and PIN section. It's often under a Privacy tab. Tap on it to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to change your PIN or password. Select that, and the app will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current PIN or password. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new one. Choose something strong, mix letters, numbers, and symbols for the best security, and enter it twice to confirm. After that, hit Save or Confirm. The app might send a verification code to your email or phone, so check for that and enter it if required. Finally, log out and log back in to test your new PIN. If everything works, you're all set. And there you have it. Changing your Chime PIN or password is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Remember, staying secure is key in today's digital world, so make this a habit. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.